Hi guys, welcome to the channel and thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. I hope you do stay. This channel will show methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm back with an unplug for you guys, and I have Monetag. So not sure if you've ever heard of this platform. So Monetag is basically a reliable and high performing traffic monetization platform that helps publishers to earn money from any kind of traffic, whether it's from a website, blogs, or any social networks. It's basically a perfect choice for monetizing traffic from any country without limitations, whether you're from South Africa, Ghana, Zambia. So with Monetag, you can monetize your traffic using various ad formats, including popular ads, in-page, push notification, classic push notification, direct link, etc., etc. Here's how to register on Monetag. Remember, it is very much important to provide you real and accurate information when signing up, because if your data is incorrect or fake, you won't be able to withdraw your earnings at a later stage. So to get started, you will click on sign up, and then you will provide your first name, your last name, your email address, and then your country, your address. So up next, you'll be asked, what do you want to monetize? So there's website, social traffic, Telegram app. So in this case, I will choose social traffic because I want to monetize my YouTube and TikTok. And then next, a question says, tell us about your audience. And then you will write about your audience and then put your URL. And then how did you hear about us? You can either choose YouTube or Google, whatever you heard about them. So in this case, you heard them from me, so it's going to be from a YouTube. And then what other ad networks, affiliate program, or monetization platform do you currently work with? And then you will put that. And then next is optional. Up next is for you to accept the terms and conditions, then send. After that, you will receive an email for you to verify your account, then sign in. While signing in, you enter your email address, choose your password, and then log on. So once you've logged in, here's what you'll see. So this is what the dashboard looks like after registration. So there is the statistics page. So it shows data on your CPM, impressions, and earning. You can also filter the stats by ads format, country, site, time, and range. There's also site session where you submit your website for approval to start monetization. So to get your direct link, you are going to get it here. It is perfect for social media or non-site traffic. So no site approval needed. You can start earning immediately. So as you can see, here's your link there, and then you just need to copy the link and use it whenever you see it fit. You can use it however you want. Link the items on your website landing page to open as Popanda whenever anyone clicks it. You can get your referral link and earn a 5% commission from each person who signs up using it. And then for payment options, so they have various payment options. So they have PayPal, they have Skrill, they have Payoneer, they have Wire, they have online banking Wire, they have Revolt, they have Cypro currencies. So you can request for adding another method if you want. So with Monetag, monetizing your traffic is simple, fast, and profitable no matter where your audience comes from. So here's why you have to choose Monetag. Of all, firstly, it has a multiple high converting ad format, so you can use Smart Link and more. It's easy to start even without a website. You can start with a direct Smart Link, and it has a real-time statistics to track your performance and optimize your earning. It has a fast payout with several withdrawal options. So we're not only using PayPal here, but like there's more withdrawal options. So the referral program for earning extra commission, that one is a plus for me, and also it is a beginner friendly dashboard. So they have a beginner friendly dashboard with a clear navigation. So whether you're a beginner or experienced publisher, Monetag will help you turn your traffic into real income very quickly and efficiently. That's it from me, guys. I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with your friends and families.